Hi guys, welcome to my baking vlog. I'm Deborah and I'm going to be making scones today. Feel free to follow along. We're going to be making one batch of scones today, and that's going to equal 6 mini scones. And we're going to make 3 blueberry and 3 chocolate. You first need 50 grams of butter. Next, we're going to be measuring our dry ingredients. Now we're going to be measuring our wet ingredients, eggs and milk.
And my milk, my yummy egg.
To be mixing the butter and the dry ingredients, and after that we're going to put the egg and milk in, and we're going to start making the actual scone dough. We're going to be grabbing our handy dandies and start chopping through it. Now that it seems like it's done, we're going to wrap it in baking. Alright, now that it's been an hour, we're going to take the dough out and we're going to cut it 6 separate scones. We're going to shape 3 blueberry scones first so that we can make a little crater in the middle so we can put the jam in it. And the other 3, we're going to chop up some chocolate from a chocolate bar so that we can add it on top to be our chocolate stick. The blueberry we're going to put it after we bake it for about like 15-ish minutes. Now that we're done, I'm going to invite our camera woman here to do our little tasters. Yippee! Very good. Oh. Thanks for tuning in. That will be the end of our